Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set animation on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, just open a video or create a new project. Actually, if you want to add different animation to your video, just go to the right side at the screen and you can find the right bar. Here, go to the last option, the pencil, click that and you can find the lower bar. And here you can find the animation option, the 5, next to the duration. Click that and here you can add in animation, overall animation or out animation to your video. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.